Hi, I'm Amanda De Silva, and in this Monday Mindset video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how you can use your values to make better decisions in life and work. You need to identify and apply your core values. And in my previous week blog and video, I discuss how you can go about that. So you can refer to that video. Number 2 is having confidence in your values that you hold near and dear to your heart, having it reflected in everything that you do. It could also be sharing it with other people, so it holds you accountable to your values, but also it is in your subconscious and it forms a habit that you use these values on a daily basis. Thirdly, I would say walk the talk. So it isn't enough to profess the values that we wish to espouse on a daily basis. We need to make sure that it is congruent and reflected, not only in the written word, the spoken word, but all of our actions that we undertake. Number 4 is one set of values. We only have one set of values, and this shouldn't shift based on the context, work or life. And that's why I'm describing that the alignment needs to be there. If you need to make a change, that is something that you should reflect upon and make sure that you've done the difficult work of figuring out your values and then living into your values. It's not an easy process, but something that everyone should undertake. And last but not least, precision and practice. So I would like for you to crystallize those values in your mind, because it is during those hard and difficult times that we need to know the decisions we make are going to be right, they're going to be right for the moment, and we are not taking the easy way out. And if you like this episode, then also join my subscription newsletter, which is found on my website at www.amanda-desilva.com/newsletters, or you can click the bottom of this screen on YouTube and subscribe to my channel so that each week you receive these Mindset Mondays